good, people? Well, thank you for joining me on another episode. I said in the last vid, said in the last vid that I was waiting on a couple of parts to come in. Since then, I've put tires on the rims. Replaced the rotors, brake disc rotors. It's coming along nicely. I even had time to install one of the crank bottom brackets for 26-inch bike. Basically, I'm just playing catching you guys up on everything that's been going on. So, the package. Yes, let's get to the package. I did open it already. So, for me, this is nothing new, but since you all don't know what's in it, some of you might have guessed already, but you don't know how it looks. There were two options. I'm going to move these tires out the way. Okay. Box. And there you have it. Shimano front chain wheel. This is part number FC-M311, 175 millimeters, 48, 38, and 28 teeth. Now, the original one that I took off was a 42, 38, 20 something. I really didn't care about the smallest gear because I usually don't use that. I use the middle gear and I use the large gear, but not the small one. So, and that's pretty much dependent on what type of surface I'm on. So, as you can see here at the bottom, maybe you can't, but I don't want my finger to be in the way. There was black and there was silver. Now, I like the silver, and I'm considering purchasing another one in silver for one of the other bikes, but for the one that I'm putting together now, I'm going to use the black for the 26. I might get another black for the 27 plus. I'm not sure. We'll see how this goes first. Let's see. Okay. The screws. Screws. Very important. Looks like, okay. Hex screw head. That shouldn't be a problem. Looks like they put enough grease in there, so I shouldn't have to grease it as I install it. A little dust. Well, from what I can tell, it looks to be in good condition. Yeah. Now for the pedals, I'm thinking I want to go with red or either green. Not sure yet. I have some lights that I want to put on there. I put on a tail light, but I might change it out for something else. I've got a few tail lights. Some of them I reviewed already. Most of them I reviewed already. Some of them I haven't. But that's okay. Alrighty then. Pedals. I did mention pedals. So, if I go with my parts bin, excuse me, if I go with the red, I just happen to have a pair of Well-Go pedals. Of course, I purchased these before I found out about the rate space. But that's okay. In the future purchases, I'll switch up. These are, I don't know. They're lightweight. That much I can say. So, try not to damage that. And that's pretty much how that would look. Yeah. So the bike itself is like a dark blue. And I'm putting this setup on there with some red pedals. Now it does have a blue seat. I forgot I put a blue seat on there earlier last year. So I may have to change that. I may have to rethink that. Either that or change the seat from blue to red. But I really do like that red. That it goes with it. And like I said, these pedals, they're real light. They feel sturdy though. I don't feel like some cheap plastic, like the cheap plastic ones they always send you with the bike when they fix the bike or if they ship it out to you. It says Well-Go Magnesium. I don't know if you all can see this. Nah, the light is kind of interfering with it. But it says Well-Go on this side, and then on this side it says magnesium. So that is my update for now. I will continue working on the bikes and let you know what comes up. Till next time, I'll talk to you later.